What's up guys, I am back and iOS 13 is right around the corner, and in this video we will discuss every confirmed feature and basically everything you need to know about iOS 13. So let's start with all the features that are confirmed, and one of them is dark mode. Now Apple has been hinting at a dark mode since iOS 11 when they introduced Smart Invert, but finally with iOS 13 we will get the long overdue dark mode on our iPhones, and it's gonna be great. You'll be able to schedule it or have it on at all times, and I'm really looking forward to it. Anyways, the next feature is gonna be a less obstructing and a better volume UI, which will be able to adapt to application and won't take the whole screen. But before talking about anything else, let's talk about compatibility. Apple is finally gonna drop iPhone 5s, iPhone 6, 6 Plus, and the iPhone SE, and the iPad Air 1 and iPad Mini 2. They won't support iOS 13, and if you have any of them, well, it's time to upgrade. Anyways, let's talk about the features that everyone is looking forward to but are not confirmed. One of them is the ability to change the video quality right inside the camera application. But it gets better. Apple is gonna add a bar of emoji in the empty section on iPhone 10, 10R, and 10s. And Apple might add the Apple Pencil charging indication when you put your phone on wireless charging, and they might also introduce percentage for brightness and volume in control center. Now I also have a wish list of features that I think Apple should add in iOS 13. One of them is better integration of notification with the notch, something like this. It looks really great. Another thing Apple should add, and it is long overdue, is app lock. Apple should finally bring it in with the ability to unlock with your Face ID or Touch ID, and Apple hasn't done anything like this, but Apple should finally bring app lock in iOS 13, and they should also allow better integration of tweaks. I mean, they obviously don't allow that, but imagine them allowing you to do and make customization to the iPhones. Well, that is something we can only wish for. And there's one more feature that is confirmed, and that is better iPad experience and making it more desktop-like. Now, iPad Pro is a great device, but as I said earlier, it is kind of limited by iOS, and Apple is finally gonna fix that and make it better, make it more smoother, and make the iPad experience more desktop like with iOS 13, and that's gonna be great. So this is basically everything we need to know about iOS 13. Now we know it's gonna come on 3rd of June and it's gonna be great. It's gonna be the beta version, but I'll make a lot of videos for that, so stay tuned and do subscribe to the channel. Now I hope you guys enjoyed the video. More content coming really soon. Until then, please like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.